Hey guys, it's Kaylee Hoffman again with Country Diesels, and I'm bringing you another edition of our pick of the week with my favorite new arrival and one heck of a diesel truck. It's a perfect one-owner 2016 Ram 2500 Laramie with a 6.7 liter Cummins diesel engine in the crew cab short bed with some very notable custom upgrades, which I'm excited to share with you. First, this truck has a heavy-duty 10-inch BDS Lift and 40-inch Super Swamper tires, giving this truck a massive stance. And we just installed these brand new 20x12 Fuel Off-Road Forged FF09 polished wheels, which really set this truck off. Plus, the truck has a sport appearance package with color matched grille, bumpers, handles, badges, and trim. Some of the other great features on this truck are the high-quality in-fab-in Durastep step boards, the rear parking sensors with rear vision backup camera and cargo camera, a spray-in bed liner, and the factory smoked-out headlights with LED running lights. On the inside, this Ram is loaded with heated and cooled leather bucket seating with rear heated bench seat, factory navigation with 8.4-inch touchscreen, a power sunroof, factory auxiliary upfitter switches, and much more. This Ram just has 10,000 original miles with just one previous owner and couldn't be more perfect. So come down to Country Diesels today and see this truck for yourself while it lasts. And be sure to follow Country Diesels on Facebook and Instagram for daily inventory updates in your newsfeed. Country Diesels, where big city selection meets small town hospitality in the region's best selection of quality diesel trucks. Thanks for watching.